information. This is NOAA Weather Radio, KZV-81 Lockport. Severe weather is occurring or forecast to occur in our listening area. This station will broadcast severe weather alarm tones for Cook, Lake, DuPage, Will, Kane, Kendall, Kankakee, and Grundy counties in Illinois, as well as Lake County in Indiana. Standard broadcasts will be curtailed to bring you the latest severe weather information. The current time is 3:49 p.m. Central Daylight Time. The following is a summary of watches, warnings, and advisories in effect. Lockport, Joliet, and surrounding communities. Tornado Watch number 96 has been issued until 10 p.m. for the following counties in Illinois: Cook, DuPage, Grundy, Kane, Kankakee, Kendall, Lake and Will, and Lake, Indiana, and the following: Winthrop Harbor to Wilmette Harbor, Illinois, Wilmette Harbor to Northerly Island, Illinois, Northerly Island to Calumet Harbor, Illinois, Calumet Harbor, Illinois to Gary, Indiana, Gary to Burns Harbor, Indiana, and